Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club. And what are we going to draw today?
A floating letter B.
Floating 3D letter B. So what are we actually going to learn today? How to draw a 3D trick drawing of letter B. Anamorphic illusion is what we call it. Okay, Parikshit?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are drawing the letter B. Okay, so like always, like usual B, we make the usual B. Okay, make a straight line and we make a big circle. Okay, now okay, next what we do is this. This will give the 3D look to it, and then what we do is okay, this is good. Now what we do is we do some pencil shadings. Okay, what do we cut?
Yeah. We have to quickly cut almost full.
Okay, so we start cutting from over here. Now what we do is we mix up the color a bit. So does this look like a 3D drawing? Should I do it for you?
No, it's okay.
Give it to me. See, if it is a difficulty, na, then cut it like this first. Okay. So the maximum part is gone. Now it will be easier for you. This is all straight. Now we will cut across the line. Now it's easier to manage.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with this amazing anamorphic illusion, optical illusion, or the 3D trick drawing, whatever you call it, of letter B. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more amazing drawings from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.